Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, I will share with you latest openings from Singapore. It's a new job openings from Singapore and different job profiles. And I would like to share you what is the job profile, what is the applying process, what is the requirements to apply for this job. Let's start. The first job, electrical engineer required in Singapore. So to work as an electrical engineer, you should have the proper qualifications and experience in the relevant field. Then you can apply for this job. So before you apply, please focus what is the terms, norms and conditions from the company. Electrical engineer required in Singapore is the salary near about $5,000 per month, 5 days working, and as you can see here, turbomachinery control systems, engineer, turbine, compressor, hydro. So job responsibilities: review and prepare object specifications to ensure the systems meets the technical requirements of the projects. Application of logic, program development and testing, hardware design including PLC selections, power distributions, networking and cabinet design and HMI graphics development and testing. So this is all about the job responsibility. This is the qualifications. This is very important. To work as a electrical engineer, if you are interested to apply, please focus. You should have the proper qualifications as mentioned here. Degree in engineering with at least 5 years of relevant experience in similar industry and processes applications and basic knowledge of turbomachinery control. Able to work under pressure in site environment and are quick in response to resolve and site issues. Willingness to travel overseas for job assignments possesses of a positive work attitude. This is the proper qualifications and experience requirement by the employer. If you are fulfilling this requirement, don't be late. Apply as soon as possible. As you can see here, this is the applying process. You have to forward your updated CV to the given official email ID. Let me highlight these two email ID. You can send both of these two email ID. So friends, I am telling you again and again. This is a genuine information. If you are interested to apply to work as a Singapore, please don't be late. This is the direct contact number from the company. You can directly contact. This is the license number. This is the registration number. Everything in front of you. If you have the proper qualifications and experience as per the requirement by the employer or the company, don't be late to work as an electrical engineer. Apply as soon as possible by forward your updated CV to the given both of official email ID. After you forward your CV, if your CV will be utilized, you will attend the interview on that date. If you are getting success from the interview, then the company or the employer will guide you what is the proper documents required to apply for work visa and to move Singapore with the jobs. This is the proper way. So friends, don't be late, don't be confused. All informations I already provided in the descriptions, as I already shared in the previous videos. All informations always I am sharing in the descriptions under this video. If you have any problem to understand, you can directly visit to the web descriptions under this video and you can read by yourselves. Then it will be easy to understand how to apply. So friends, next job, accounts assistant. To work as an accounts assistant, you should have the proper qualifications and relevant experience. So let's focus. Accounts assistant salary will be $3,000. Accounts payable functions Monday to Friday duty, immediate joining. The opportunity: our client currently looking for a talent with accounts payable experience to join in the finance teams as an accounts assistant. So if you are belonging accounting professionals, if you are a huge experience in the finance department, don't be late, apply as soon as possible. And if you have any international experience, then it's a great chance for you. Don't be late, apply as soon as possible. The job responsible: main focus on accounts payable functions, process invoices and payments via TT, zero and check, preparing expenses and claim schedule, prepare bank reconciliations, liaise with vendors and accounting related matters, other duties to be assigned. This is all about the job responsible. This is the requirement. This is very important. To apply for account assistant in Singapore, you should have the diploma or degree in accountancy or relevant professional certificates. Minimum 2 years of relevant experience in FA functions, proficient in Microsoft Office, short notice in immediate candidate will be advertised. So friends, this is the basic needs to apply for this job to work as a accounts assistant. If you have the proper qualifications and experience as per mentioned here, don't be late. Forward your updated CV to apply to the given official email ID. I already told you, after you sending your CV, if your CV will be utilized, you will get a reply to attend the interview. So don't be confused, don't be worried. Everything in front of you. Also in the descriptions under this video, I'm telling you again and again. Please keep in mind all information is with you. Don't be confused. Don't need to be asked to anybody how to apply and what is the applying process. Everything in front of you, also available in the descriptions. Next job, HR and admin executive. The salary will be 3,500 per month. IT blockchain, the department. If job is HR and admin executive. If you have the experience as a HR or admin, don't be late. Apply as soon as possible. The HR and admin executive will work closely with the regional HR team based in China and supports local ops in full spectrum of HR operations and general administrative works. You will provide essential day-to-day support for a seamless HR service. To be successful in this role, you will be extremely organized, detailed, and can judge the a variety of administrative tasks at once. You are proactive in your approach, innovative in your thinking, and always seek to make improvements. Let's focus what is the key responsibility or the job functions. To work as a HR admin, you have to responsible for all HR administration across the employee life cycle from the hire of offboarding pages. Organize and maintain accurate employee data, including the personal files and HR systems. Data can include personal data, sickness records, grade changes, job page updates, etc. Support general office administrations as an when required. This is all about the job responsibility. This is the talent. This is very very important point. To apply for HR and admin executive in Singapore, you should have minimum 2 to 3 years of experience in HR operations work. Well organized, independent, and solutions driven, strong interpersonal and communication skills to utilize with all levels of internal stakeholders, resilient and able to work in a fast-paced environment, strong in managerial proficiency as a this role will require to communicate with stakeholders in China, strong in spoken and written Chinese. Please focus. The employer asking about the Chinese language, don't be late, don't be worried. You can take a course of 1 month to 2 months of Chinese course language. Don't need to worry, but please focus. You should have the proper qualifications and a relevant experience. Then you can apply for these jobs by sending your updated CV to the given official email ID. Please keep in mind, this is the applying process. You have to forward your updated CV. This is the one and only way to apply. Please keep in mind, don't be confused, don't think negative. This is the proper way to apply. This is the contact numbers where you can apply by also contacting them. So friends, it's better option. You have to send your updated CV to the given official email ID if you have the proper qualifications and experience as per the mentioned here by the employers. Next job, accounts admin assistant required in Singapore. Accounts admin assistant salary will be 2,300 per month dollar per month. Accounts admin assistants up to no experience required. This is a fresher also can be applied. That's why the salary just low. So the opportunity, our client and independent organizations responsible for developing and managing one of Asia's foremost garden destinations is looking for an accounts admin assistant to join their team. Attractive salary package and career progressions. So as my knowledge in the whole Asian continent, the Singapore is the best country to get a job to settle, because this is a high economically strong country like Australia, Canada, etc. So friends, the talent to work as an accounts admin assistant in Singapore, you should have diploma in accountancy or equivalent with 1 year of accounting experience. Candidates with no experience are welcome to apply. That means the fresher candidates also can be applied. Don't be worried. So how to apply? You have to forward your updated CV to the given official email ID. So friends, this is the official email ID. I'm telling you again, all informations including official number, official email ID, everything is available in the descriptions. No need to be worried. Please go to the descriptions under this video and you can get all informations. So direct also, you can directly call them by this number and you can ask about the requirements and you can apply for this job by sending your updated CV if you are interested to work as a accounts admin assistant. Let's focus on next job, sales coordinator. If you are belonging a sales professional, please focus. You can apply for this job. So you can get a job. You can fulfill your dream to get a abroad job. So to work as a sales coordinator, what is the requirements? What is the job responsibility? Let's focus. Sales coordinator salary will be 2.7 thousand per dollar per month. The opportunity exposure to MNC environment. That means this is a MNC company. As you can see here, Monday to Friday duty, good learning opportunity. Ideal candidate will be someone who is able to start work within short notice. So friends, here I would like to tell you one thing: the benefits or the enjoyable life is working in abroad is you can only do a job, do your work from Monday to Friday. 2 days you can get off, so you can. This is a enjoying life in abroad. This is a very good benefits if you are working in abroad. So friends, the talent to work as a sales coordinator, you should have the minimum N level or higher basic Excel skills required. Great learning and working attitude. Any prior experience in MNC environment will be highly advantageous. So to work as a sales coordinator, you should have the proper qualifications and experience. This is job descriptions. Creation of work order for renewal, follow-up and tracking with sales reps and renewal updates of all sites, prepare legal terminations letter if required. This is all about the job descriptions. Next step, if you are interested to apply, please send your updated CV to the given official email ID. Once you send your CV, you can get a notifications for an interview if your CV will be shortlisted. So I already told you this is a genuine information. This is the proper way to apply. No need to get any help of any consultancy or any agency. You can apply by yourselves. So friends, again, I would like to tell you one thing. All informations you are watching in front of you also available in the descriptions. No need to be worried. If you have any problem to understand my language, please go to the descriptions under this video. All information is there. Read by yourselves. No need to be confused. You can understand by yourselves how to apply, what is the job profile, what is the applying process, everything details. So friends, again I would like to tell you, again I would like to remind you what is the job profiles, what is the new job openings from Singapore. This is a job for sales coordinator. Next, accounts admin assistants. Next, HR admin executive. Next, accounts assistant. Next, electrical engineer. If you want to apply any of these 5 jobs, and if you have the proper qualifications and experience, don't be late. Apply as soon as possible by the process. So friends, please share this information to your friends and relatives. Hope this is a valuable information for them, so don't be late. Also you can apply as soon as possible and suggest your friends and relatives if they are looking for a abroad job, and if you have the proper qualifications and experience as per the mentioned here by the employer, don't be late. Apply as soon as possible to get a job in Singapore and to settle in Singapore. So friends, I hope this information will be valuable for all of you. Finally, I would like to tell you lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. In the next video, I will meet with you with a latest job openings from another country. Up to that, stay with me. God bless you. Bye bye.